Great for picnics and barbecues, I'm making a cucumber corn salad. I'm going to start off with a can of corn that I have drained. I'm putting in cucumbers. I have cherry tomatoes that have been halved. And then I'm going to add red wine vinegar. I have bell peppers. And I am using green and red bell peppers. And now I'm adding all of the seasonings. So I have black pepper, I have garlic powder, cumin, and cilantro. But after that, you mix it together. This is my go-to recipe, so now everybody in my family wants me to make it. Enjoy.